Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you grade 8 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, the farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: choose appropriate word definition and identify part of speech through abbreviation used. Locate synonyms in children's thesaurus. Thesaurus means dictionary. Now look at the page number 8 in your textbook. We have a grammar portion here. See what it says. Find the meaning of the following words from the dictionary and identify part of speech of the word through abbreviation used. What is an abbreviation? When we write words in a short form, it is called abbreviation. Like how? This is a word January. We will write this in a short form in an abbreviation form like this, Jan. I hope you have learned about the parts of speech in your previous class too. Let's discuss it one by one here. First, we will discuss what is noun. A noun names a person, place, things or idea, like dog, cat, horse, student, teacher, apple, Mary, etc. What is an adverb here? An adverb tells how often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective or an adverb. Like loudly, always, never, soon. Let me give you an example of adverb. She speaks loudly. Here the speak is an action, a verb, and loudly is an adverb. Here the loudly adverb is modifying the speak's action. It's telling you more about the action. Now look at the verb here. What is a verb? A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action or experience, like realize, walk, see, look, sing, sit, listen, and etc. These are all the example of verb here. It shows an action. Look at the adjective here. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. It tells you more about a noun or pronoun. Look at the examples here. Red, tall, fat, long, short, blue, beautiful, sour, and etc. Let me give you an example. I have a red scarf. Here, the red is an adjective and scarf is a noun here. Now, adjective is modifying or telling you more about the scarf noun. It's telling you about that the scarf is red here. Adjectives can be opinions, smell, size, color. It can be anything. Now, let's discuss the prepositions here. A preposition is used for a noun, pronoun or gerunds to show place, time, direction in a sentence. It also shows relationship between pronoun and nouns. Look at the example here: at, in, on, about, to, for, from, etc. Like the book is on the table. Here the preposition is on. It's telling you the direction of a thing, of a book here, which is on the table. Look at the conjunction. Conjunction join words or groups of words in a sentence. Examples are and, because, yet, therefore, moreover, since, so, until, but, and etc. Let's look at the example here. I ordered pizza because I was hungry. Here the conjunction in this sentence is because it is joining two sentences here together. Now let's discuss the pronoun. Pronoun replace the name or a person, place, thing or idea in a sentence. It avoids the repetition of noun. Examples are he, she, it, we, they, him, her, this, that, and etc. Look at the interjection now. What are the interjections? Interjections express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation point. Look at this one, bravo. Here this is an exclamation mark. Well, aha, hooray, yeah, oops, phew, oh. The expression could be of joy, hate, sadness, or show anger, excitement. It can be anything. So dear students, what you need to do, find the meaning of the following words from the dictionary and identify the parts of speech of the word through abbreviation use. You need to find whether these words are noun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, or interjection. How you will find these words in a thesaurus, in an abbreviation form? Let's have a look here. Look at this. Parts of speech. A thesaurus gives the part of speech for each entry. The part of speech tells how the word is used in the sentence. Below are abbreviations for parts of speech here. As we discussed it, that abbreviation means when we write words in a short form. Here the abbreviation for verb is this. In a short form, only V here. For noun is this. For adjective is this. For adverb, it's here. So, what you need to do, you need to find those words in a dictionary and underline it and tell which part of speech they are. Now, let's move to another SLO of this lesson. Look at synonyms in children's thesaurus. First, we will discuss what are the synonyms. A synonym is a word that has the same or slightly different meaning as another word. Look at the examples here. The thief tried to conceal or hide the evidence. Here, the conceal and hide have the same meaning. You can use both of these in a sentence. It's up to you which one you want to use. The conceal or hide. But it has the same meaning here. I am going to purchase, buy a new coat. Here, the purchase and buy have the same meaning. Look at the third one. These tomatoes are large or ripe. Look at the fourth one. This is a very loose or short definition. Fifth one. You have a profound or deep sympathy. It is a very wide or broad street. Here. I hope you have learned this about the synonyms in your previous class too. So it would be very easy for you to do the task here. Look at the page number 8. In your textbook, consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. Thesaurus mean, I have told you, it's mean dictionary. You need to open the dictionary and find the meaning of these words, the same meaning of these words. Spare, effort, great, hardship, grieve, and trust. For each word, you will find 4, 5 or more synonyms in your dictionary. So it's up to you, you find the suitable one, which have nearly the same meaning. Dear student, this is your home task from textbook page number 4. What you need to do, you are going to identify all the parts of speech here in this paragraph, which we have discussed in this lesson earlier. You have a very good idea of parts of speech now. So, what you need to do, you have to underline all these parts of speech you can find in this paragraph here. Okay? I hope you can do this very easily. Students, आज के लेसन में हमने पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के बारे में पढ़ा. 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच हैं. नाउन, एडवर्ब, वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, प्रेपोजिशंस, कंजंक्शंस, प्रोनाउंस और इंटरजेक्शन. इनको हमने डिफिनेशन और इनकी एग्जांपल्स के साथ पढ़ा. इसके बाद एब्रिविएशन, थेसारस में जो आपकी डिक्शनरी है उसमें एब्रिविएशन की यूज को पढ़ा कि आप किस तरह पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को किसी भी वर्ड का मतलब ढूंढ के आप उसको पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच उसकी एब्रीविएशन फॉर्म के साथ ढूंढ सकते हैं। एब्रीविएशन जब हम किसी वर्ड को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं। उसके बाद हमने सिनोनिम्स को पढ़ा। सिनोनिम्स वो अल्फाज होते हैं जिनके तकरीबन एक जैसे मीनिंग होते हैं। वो बोलने में और लिखने में तो मुख्तलिफ होते हैं, डिफरेंट होते हैं, उनकी स्पेलिंग्स डिफरेंट होती हैं, प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंट होती है, बट उनका तकरीबन ऑलमोस्ट जो है एक जैसा मीनिंग होता है। आपने क्या करना है, डिक्शनरी को खोलकर इन अल्फाज के लिए वो अल्फाज ढूंढने हैं जो बिल्कुल एक जैसे हो मीनिंग में। जैसे अगर आप वर्ड स्पेयर को डिक्शनरी में ढूंढे तो आपने वैसे ही लफ्ज ढूंढना है जिसका मीनिंग स्पेयर जैसा ही हो, तकरीबन एक जैसा हो। यह आपका होम टास्क है आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक से। आपने इस पैराग्राफ में जितने भी पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच हमने पढ़े हैं उसको अंडरलाइन करना है। आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड माई लेसन। थैंक यू।